Welcome to my newest listing at 2405 Stillwater Drive in Ponder, Texas. This 3-bed, 2-bath home has new vinyl flooring as of last year. Let's check it out. As we enter, there's this nice feature of all these hooks for your coats, your clothes, your backpacks, accessories. To the left, you have the hall with a full hall bathroom. Over here is your front bedroom, looking out to your front yard. And then you have a walk-in closet. Across the hall, you have the second bedroom, window out to the side yard with its own walk-in closet. Continuing down the hall, you have a laundry room, hookups, and a rack above, right off of the garage. You have your 2-car garage with your water heater over here. Continuing inside, down opposite the entry, you open up into your main living space, window out to your back porch into your backyard. This flows directly into the kitchen space. With granite countertops, center island with storage below, space for your fridge, countertop space with a 4-burner gas stove, an oven, microwave above. Continuing over to a single basin sink and the dishwasher on the right. Next up is the pantry. And that flows into the dining space with a window out to the backyard. Let's check out the primary suite. Primary bedroom has windows out to the backyard. Then flows into your primary bathroom. The vanity on this side. Toilet space. Then the opposite side has your shower and your linen closet. At the end is your walk-in closet. Plenty of space and shelves. Let's head out to the backyard. From the dining space, you step out to your covered patio, which opens up to your backyard. Plenty of space to make it yours. If you want to know more, reach out and let's schedule a showing. Let's make this home yours.
3 houses down at the end of the street is Big Sky Park. Across Big Sky Boulevard is where the fields and amenities are, including the playground, pickleball courts, soccer fields, splash pad, and more.